Quaker Valley Foods brings you our 2019 food show, Around the World. Quaker Valley Foods, located in Northeast Philadelphia, sits on 15 acres with a 250,000 square foot facility that warehouses dry, refrigerated, and frozen food products. We employ team members who speak the languages of our diverse customer base. Our cash and carry department offers you a way to get your products fast and at wholesale prices. We employ state-of-the-art scanning and voice picking technologies. Quaker Valley Foods has over 8 million cubic feet of temperature-controlled warehousing, over 80,000 square feet of refrigerated storage, 25,000 square feet of dry storage, and 140,000 square feet of frozen storage to house more than 3,000 products. Our warehouse office is our nerve center, assuring you will receive the product you need when you need it. Our fleet of 40 trucks delivers to you and our other 2,500 customers throughout the Mid-Atlantic and beyond. At the Quaker Valley Foods 2019 Food Show in Philadelphia's Sugar House Casino, we'll bring you delicious foods from all over the world, and you can taste it all.